Okay guys, pasukin naman natin tong Xi Jinping. Rejuvenating the Chinese nation has been the greatest dream of the Chinese people since the beginning of modern times. This dream embodies the long-cherished hope of several generations of Chinese, gives expressions to the collective interests of the Chinese nation and people, and represent the shared aspirations of all the sons and daughters of China. So let's proceed here. Okay, let's go inside, guys. This was Chukodpla, Hong Kong, PLA Hong Kong, Harrison. Yes, this is the exhibition Greece. So here we go. The Chinese nation has been a great nation since antiquity. China is a unified multi-ethnic country, and the Chinese people have created a brilliant civilization. So I will not continue reading that one. So I wanna tour you here, guys. Actually, guys, I think I am the only Filipina here. Yes. Kasi binuk ako ni Amo. So, I don't know. About 1.7 million years ago, early humans is inhabited the land of the now become China. Okay. Yes. I think it's like history, right, guys? Where how they lived before. They used that one. Nung unang panahon. I don't know what is this. And this is the banga. I think the one they put the water. Oh. And this is the glass. This is the knife. Oh, this is the pichel. Oh. Hi guys. Oh, ayun. Si Unggoy. Oh, that is the house before. Oh, yeah. So, mga dynasty. Sayang, no? Okay. This one is the Shashang and Western Zhou, were early states which were formed and developed in Asian China. During the period, the power of the throne was strengthened and the system reinforced. The rulers of Western Zhou introduced sets of rites and etiquette to emphasize and maintain the hierarchical order. Around this time, bronze casting reached in its apogee and exquisite works of art were produced. The late spring and autumn period and the early warring states period witnessed an unprecedented boom in philosophy with 100 schools of thoughts. Okay. Ayan. Oh, ito yun, oh. Ayan.
Wow.
So let's just walk, guys. Kasi I cannot explain then. Oh, yan yung kanilang lugar noong unang panahon. How they make. Okay. Ayan yung mga sandata-ata nila dati. Mga kabatuhan. Ang hirap. Kailangan ko pa yata itong i-translate. Diba? At i-translate kung sino ito. Who's this one? Yan. Kailangan ko pa yata siya i-translate. Diba? Kasi hindi ako makarelate. Ang akin lang ginawa ay mag-video pero hindi talaga makarelate. Oh, this one yung art nila. Ah. Oh. Ayan yung parang mga army nila, no? Ayun, parang may nakita akong Pilipina or Indonesia. Hindi niya lang ako pinansin. Sino to? What is the name? Oh, this one is... Ano nakalagay? This one is... Oh, sino siya? Shin and Han? Oh my God. During the period of Song and Yuan dynasty, ethnic regimes dissolved and the country moved forward. Yan, yan. Iba na yung amoy ng mga tao dito kasi naulanan. Uy, nakarating na ako dyan. Naka-hiking na ako dyan. O, yan yung mga ano nila, oh, libro. Yan, yung mga libro nila, oh. Yan yung mga books nila. Ayan, oh. Diyan mga nakatago ang mga lihim ng mga prinsipe. Ayan, medyo maano na, no? Kanina medyo luman-luma yung mga ganyan. Ngayon medyo okay na. 17th century na to. 17th century na. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa 17th. Ayan na, nagbabago na ang mga pangyayari. Oo, sila nagbabasa sila guys. Ako hindi ako nagbabasa kasi hindi ko naman talaga mabasa. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ito yata yung pera nila, guys. Oh. Yan yung pera nila. $5 local currency. $5 international banking. Ano to? Koko. O yan. $10. The Dutch. O, diba? Ayan. Ayan na. Nagbabago na yung mga sibilisasyon. Ayan na ang mga... Oh, ito yung kanilang rifle. Rifle ba? Rifle. Ayun, oh, yung mga pagbaril-baril. Yan, road to the independence and liberation na. Oh, ayan na, guys. So, I'm just sharing birth of Communist Party of China and political program. Ayan na. Pero I cannot say the words because kasi hindi ko talaga alam ang mga name nila. So I think that is the present 1966 and they started 1893. I don't know. So hindi ko talaga alam. Ayan. Ang hirap. Ayan. First KMT CPC cooperation in the Great Revolution. Oh my God. Ayan. Armed struggle against reactionary. Oh. Yan na. Ayan, kadami namatay. Uy, ano to? What is this?
我现在要带你去南京看一下，点击鲜花儿吧，这是遇难者家属，遇难者献花。
遇难者30万。
Okay.
对。
Ayan, guys. Ito pa ang mga sinaunang tao. Ayan. So, ayan, palabas na tayo, guys. Naway nag-enjoy kayo sa mga video kahit na I don't explain too much. Nationwide victory and the new democratic revolution. No? Ayan na yung Kalembang. Oh, yan. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa second floor, guys. Foreign policy and diplomacy. Diplomacy. Defending the people state at the war of disease as aggression in aid Korea. Okay. A country run by the people. Okay. Alright. Oh! Pera. Mukha tayong pera. Yan ang mga pera. Basta pera, picture agad. Section 2, Socialism and Basic National System. And Section 3, Setback and Progress. Yan. Okay. Section 1, Pioneering Reform and Opening Up in the Chinese Socialism. Yan. Siyempre, di natin sila makakilala, no? Only them. Section 2, Advancing Reform and Opening Up and Chinese Socialism into said 21st century. Ayan, 21st century na. So, ano na to? Ito na yung mga latest ata. Nakita ko na ba yung ating presidente dito? Yan. Mga kongreso. Hanap ko yung ating presidente. Baka makita ko dyan. Oh, doon. Yan. Ano ba yun? Mga presidente natin. Nandyan. 1990... Ano kayang 90 nagpunta dito si President ng Pilipinas? Hanapin natin dito ang Pilipinas. Meron ba diyang Pilipinas? Mini mo. Wala akong makitang Pilipino. Sino ba ang presidente noong 1945? Ay, Section 3. Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung sino yung presidente. Ito yung siguro yung una nilang astronaut. Yan, siya ang unang astronaut. Siya yung unang astronaut from China from Hong Kong o China na nakarating dito sa out space ba yun? Outer space, ganun. Ayan. Outer space. Ayan. Uy. This one, ano to? Ito ay January, February, March, April, May 12, 2008. Okay. The clock. Tick, 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 tick. Ito na, section 4 na. Malapit na tayo sa, tunay na buhay. Kasi nandito tayo sa section 4. Nahanap ko yung Pilipinas, baka sakaling meron dyan. Ito ba, meron ng Pilipino? Wala. Hindi ko lang talaga kilala. Ayan, si to basta si lang. Hindi alam. Basta si yun eh. Alam ko si yun. Si yun eh. Eto. Wala pa rin. Hindi ko pa rin makilita yung Pilipinas. Eto. Sino to? Walang Pilipinas. Ito. Baka nandito siya. Ay, wala din. Wala din. Dito. Wala din. Wala talaga. Dito. Wala din. Tigas ng ulo. Ayan na, nagbi-build na sila. Oh, ayan. Ang kanilang, anong tawag nila dyan? Oh. Okay. Alright. Oh. Ganyan sila mag-celebrate. Ay, wala. Ito, Beijing na, 2022. Mga Olympic ba to? Yan, Paralympic. Ayan, ganda oh. Ganda pala si China. Oh, ito ano to? Ayan. Section 5 na People Center, Development Greater Sense of Gain, Happiness and Security. Ayan na. Papalapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Ayan. Magagalit na naman na. Huwag kayo magalit sa akin na. Ayan na, meron na silang bus. Dati walang bus. Ngayon, bus na. Section 7 under the One Country, Two System Framework, Common Prosperity of Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan along the rest of the country. Okay, nandito na pala tayo sa Macau at sa ano. Okay. Got you. Baka mamaya makita ko na si Pilipinas. Hong Kong at Macau na to. Eto, 2018. Wala, hindi yan. Ayan na, oh. Umuunlad na talaga. Okay. Ay, parang ayun si Bongbong. Parang si Bongbong. Pero hindi ako sigurado. Siyempre, hindi ako sigurado. Ito yung mga MTR na build nila, oh. Okay. Alright. Section 8, Peaceful Development and Global Community of Shared Future. Okay. Oh. Baka nandito na. Gining. Wala. Wala akong kakilala. Summit ito. Ito sa Summit. Naalala ko sa Summit eh. Sa Summit. Oh, ayan si ano pa oh. Ayan oh. Yan yung mga presidente. Dati ito oh, sa USA. Asan yung Pilipinas? Asan yung Pilipinas? Wala tayo. Bakit wala tayo, guys? Nung summit. Walang umaten. Nung summit, wala bang umatin sa Pilipinas? Wala talaga akong makita. Wala. God. Dito. Wala din. Ate. Doon. APEC. Doon kaya sa APEC, meron na. APEC pala. Visit. Meron na ba doon? Diyan na kaya? Wala akong makitang kakilalang presidente. Ay, nako, kawawa naman ako. Wala kong alam.
好吃的发现。车来了。
Eto, ano to? Meron na ba dito? Wala. Dito. Wala din. Wala. Wala. No, wala ang ating presidente. Ko alam bakit. Yan. So, ayan guys. Kayo na lang po bahala dyan. Walang kakwenta-kwenta ang aking vlog today. But this one is historical talaga siya. Tapos na tayo dito. Next na tayo. Dito naman tayo sa mga aircraft nila. Uy! Ayan, oh. Mga aeroplano. Diba? Pasaway tayo. Dahil hindi tayo makapicture, may mga amoy-amoy na sila. Dami nilang gamit. Gamit talaga nilang wala talaga tang sinabi taayo. Yan, oh. Watch your step daw. Hanggang dito na lang tayo.
Strangers, family, and friends. Yeah, you know who we're here to represent. Everybody in the club, get up high for the girl of the hour, reaching for the sky. Lights up, camera on the star of the show. Exodels on the screen, watch the channel glow. A little bit naughty with a heart of gold. A loyal friend, a story to be told. Yeah, you're crazy, but that's what we love to see. Bringing laughter to you and me. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low. In the club with Sedell's, time to let it go. She'll show you how, for example, living life loud, yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem, let the whole world hear. Exodels in the house, let's make it clear. Talking about fashion, setting all the trends, giving crazy advice to all of your friends. Then she's on a food trip, what's she gonna eat? From street style looks to a savory treat. Never a dull moment, always something new. That's just the way she do. Forever true. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low. In the club with Sedell's, time to let it go. She'll show you how, for example, living life loud, yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem, let the whole world hear. Exodels in the house, let's make it clear. Exodels in the house, let's make it clear. From the screen to your heart, breaking every rule. She's more than just a channel, she's the definition of cool. So raise your glass, make some noise, let the whole world know. Let's get this party started. Exodels, let's freaking go. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low. In the club with Sedell's, time to let it go. She'll show you how, for example, living life loud, yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem, let the whole world hear. Sedell's in the house, let's make it clear. Strangers, family, and friends, yeah, you know who we're here to represent. Everybody in the club, get your hands up high for the girl of the hour, reaching for the sky. Lights up, camera on the star of the show. Exodels on the screen, watch the channel glow. A little bit naughty with a heart of gold. A loyal friend, a story to be told. Yeah, you're crazy, but that's what we love to see. Bringing laughter to you and me. Turn the bass up, feel the beat drop low. In the club with Sedell's, time to let it go. She'll show you how, for example, living life loud, yeah, we're taking a sample. This is your anthem, let the whole world hear. Exodels in the house, let's make it clear. Talking about fashion, setting all the trends, giving crazy advice to all of your friends. Then she's on a food trip, what's she gonna eat? From street style looks to a savory treat. Never